Good morning to all the students. Students, this lesson is for class 7th for the subject of chemistry, topic pure substances, which is covered in chapter 3, physical and chemical changes, starting on page number 27 of your textbook titled Concise Chemistry by Selena Publication, and is being submitted to you on 17th May 2021. This voice is of Mohinisha Thakur. All students may now please open page number 27 of your notebook in front of you. If all students are ready, then let us start with this chapter. All students may now please listen carefully. We can see so many different substances in nature around us. These substances differ from each other in properties and composition. We can classify these substances as pure and impure. Let us start with the pure substances. So students, substances like water, sugar, gold, common salt, etc. have same composition throughout and they have fixed properties. For example, in water, it looks same everywhere and has fixed boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius and melting point of 0 degrees Celsius. These substances are pure substances. Elements and compounds are pure substances. Now move on impure substances. So students, impure substances, take some muddy water in glass tumbler and observe. The composition is not same or uniform everywhere. The properties of sand and water are different and they are not present in a fixed proportion. It is a mixture and is an impure substance. The mixture can be homogeneous or heterogeneous. So students, what are homogeneous mixture and what are heterogeneous mixture? In homogeneous mixture, looks same everywhere. Air contains maybe gases, tap water, water plus dissolved salt, that sugar plus water are the example of homogeneous mixture. Now, whereas on the heterogeneous, the components are visible and can be identified. For example, sand and water, oil and water, sand and stones. These are the examples of heterogeneous mixture. Now, we will discuss the next topic of this chapter, which is elements. So, let us start with the elements, students. If you take a piece of iron and break it into smaller particles, you will receive iron only. So, the property of even the simplest particle will be same as iron. So, iron is an element. This element is a substance which cannot be further converted into any other substance by any physical or chemical process. gold, silver, carbon, sulfur, aluminium, copper, iron, oxygen, hydrogen are examples of elements. Now we will discuss that elements are made up of atoms. So students, atoms are very tiny particles which cannot be seen through naked eyes. All the atoms of one element are similar, but they are different from atoms of different elements. As you can see in the picture which is drawn on the page number 3 of the notes, which is sent on 17th May 2021. One is a aluminium sheet. Here all the atoms are similar, but they are different from iron atoms. Whereas on the iron sheet you may observe. So 118 elements are known, out of which 92 are natural and 26 elements were created artificially. Elements can be solids, liquids or gases. Further, elements is classified into solid, liquid and gases. So in the solid, iron, copper, carbon, gold is example of solid. In liquid, mercury, which is also metal but it is in the liquid state, and bromine, it is a non-metal, it is in the liquid state, are the example of liquid, whereas oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, nitrogen are the example of gases. Now I will ask 3 very short questions from you. You will get a 3 minutes break to write the answers. So the questions are: question number 1, give 2 example of pure substance. Question number 2, impure mixture is known as dash. Question number 3, out of 118 elements, how many elements are natural? Now pause this audio for 3 minutes and write the answers in your chemistry notebook. I hope you all have written the answers by now. Let us check the answers now. So answer number 1 is gold, common salt. Answer number 2, heterogeneous mixture. And the last answer number 3 is 92 elements. Students, now I am ending the lesson for today by giving instructions. So instructions are: you all are required to listen the audio again and revise all the topics which we have covered today. Thank you and have a nice day.